So hello everyone. So today I am going to explain you about the workflow of my simple project which converts our text into our emotional emotional AI agent which decides what is our text based on. So first you can see here webhook. So webhook is like our door when someone needs to send the text from our postman. For example, I am going to send a message from my postman where I have declared my name is Vigyajit and the message as I am happy. So what I will do is I will listen for a test and I will send the data from here. And after this, you can see here status is 200 and okay, it shows that it has sent the message. So it works as entry point. So you can see the is webhook to respond our data. So in the edit, next part is edit field where we prepare the data. Think you can think of this like cleaning or arranging the data. You can pick the only important part of the text and give it a proper shape before sending it to model. And after that, we have used a node that is HTTP request, which means that we are using Hugging Face model, that is we are sending the data to Hugging Face model where the text goes to Hugging Face AI model. The model checks the text and gives back emotions with score. Example, sadness 0.42, fear 0.38. These are the example. You can set it manually or through your data. So then we have used code. First we have test using hard coded. So after that we have implemented code so it can generate random depending upon the emotions. So code node is used where we write our code in JavaScript. So this function this function looks at all emotion and choose the highest one, the top emotion with the biggest score. If, for example, you have sadness has 0.42 and fear has 0.38, it picks sadness. So this is the data. So here we have used input as a variable where we have given all inputs of previous node and that is HTTP request and that data we have Hugging Face usually returns one item. JSON is an array, so you can read the comment lines. So this is the data I have returned back to the next page. So then I have responded with the web hook that where I get my final answer. So the finally this node this node sends the clean result back to the user instead of sending the list of emotions. It only shows our top emotion and top confidence based upon our scores. So after executing this, we will get what our result is. So let's see, it is executing. So uh, my text was message I am happy. So going to my workflow, it shows that the top emotion is joy and confidence is 0.97. So let's change in the data. I will write here I am sad. So after that we can execute the flow again. So we have triggered and send the data and it is successfully gained. And let's see what its score. So the top emotion is sadness. Its confidence score is 0.9836. So you can see depending upon our text it is changing. So now what we will talk about is so where here in short, webhook get takes it get cleansed and sends to face hugging AI. AI gives many emotions. Then the code picks the best one and respond node send back clean results. So what you will need to know is that what is post. We have used post here in webhook. to get the data from HTTP this. So so we have used JSON where our where our data is passed in key value form, and you can send this with hopscotch or postman or CURL. Uh, we have also used edit fields, that is this, so we can extract only text to analyze an HTTP request for a hugging face or sentiment emotion, and same like we are using code to pick the best emotions and response it to webhook. So in my project I used n8n tool. So simply I'm going to tell what I have used. In my project I used n8n to connect all parts of the system together, from receiving student message to analyze emotion and sending the right response. Each workflow act here as a pipeline where data flows steps by steps. Webhook nodes to as entry node to edit field to set node, and so what simply edit field is, edit fields are like organizer. They clean and prepare the student message so it read for analysis. So http request node, talking about http request node, these are the bridge to outside AI service. I used to them to call hugging face model for emotion detection. You can go on Google and logging to your hugging face .co and create a token, and I have created my token here from where it is getting connected. So this token is being used in our project, in this project. So next, talking about where I used hugging face model for emotional detection, and use this code use this code as the brain, which is choose the best emotions out of them, and then it responds back to them where they are the mouth, where it tells the result. So after this we can add a database where we will save conversation, connect with mentor, and integrate with LLMs or support chat system. So why we use n8n? Here we have no heavy coding, clear logic flow, flexible, and scalable. And n8n is the backbone of my AI emotional agent. It receives the student input, process it with AI, decide the emotion, and send the response back, all in one automated workflow. So let's change for a see a example. So I write here, I am happy, but my friend parent parents died. I have changed the text. Let's see. So I will execute the workflow. I will send the data from here. So let's see. It is we have sent data. It is processing. Let's see the result. So here it is emotion. Emotion is sadness because I am happy, and after that I have written my friend's parents die. So of course I am going to be sad. It happened in surprise manner, so it is written as a surprise, but the top emotion is sadness. This is how my project work. So this is a project related to an AI agent converting a human text or student text to emotion detection, which can be further connected with database and with mentor. Thank you.